Hello, you're welcome to my channel. What you're seeing here on the screen is purslane. Purslane is a plant, it's a magic plant in poultry farming. This topic is titled 10 Surprising Benefits of Purslane for Organic Poultry Health. If you're a poultry farmer, this particular plant will help you a lot in your organic poultry farming. Before I go into the main topic, please permit me to use few of your time to explain briefly about this particular channel and channel membership. Greetings to all poultry enthusiasts, livestock farmers and organic agriculture advocates. Welcome to my channel, the ultimate educational platform dedicated to transforming your farming journey with practical knowledge, innovative tips and proven techniques. Our mission is simple yet impactful: to empower you with the tools and insights you need to achieve remarkable results in poultry farming, livestock management and organic agriculture. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned farmer, or simply curious about farming practices, this channel is tailored to help you excel in your agricultural pursuit. You should become a channel member, not only a viewer. While being a viewer and fan is a great start, becoming a channel member unlocks exclusive opportunities designed to take your farming expertise to the next level. Here is why upgrading from an ordinary fan to a valued channel member is a decision you won't regret. One is access to exclusive content. Members enjoy premium video tutorials, in-depth guides and advanced farming techniques that are not available to the general audience. Priority support. Get your farming questions answered faster through priority responses to comments and personalized feedback. Community interaction. Join a thriving community of like-minded farmers. Engage in private live sessions, members-only chats, and networking opportunities to share experiences and solutions to your poultry and agribusiness. Special discounts and offers. You enjoy discounts on farming tools, organic feed formulations, and exclusive access to product recommendations and partnerships. Behind the scene insight. You gain insider access to the processes and strategies behind our most successful farming practices. Early access to videos. Members get early access to all upcoming videos, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve in farming innovations. Downloadable resources. You have an access to downloadable guides, feed formulation recipes, and detailed farming checklists to streamline your operations. Personalized training. You will participate in small group training sections and webinars focused on specific farming challenges and opportunities. You will learn a lot as a channel member. By becoming a member, you will receive expert guide or guidance on topics such as how to achieve optimal growth and productivity in poultry and livestock, the secrets to organic farming and cost-effective feed formulation, tips to improve animal health, reduce mortality and boost profitability, comprehensive brooding, feeding and disease management strategies, sustainable farming practices that protect your farm and the environment. Join us today. Take the leap from viewers to valued member and transform your journey. Membership offers you more than just exclusive content. It is your pathway to farming success. Let's grow together, one step at a time. Subscribe now, become a member and unlock a worldwide of opportunity with our channel. Together we will build a thriving farming future. Join today and start reaping the benefit immediately. Thank you for watching. Please watch till the end so that you get the best from this particular content on purslane. This is purslane. Purslane is loaded with nutrients that contribute to overall animal health and well-being. Purslane has omega-3 fatty acids, supports heart health, and reduces inflammation in poultry and livestock. It has vitamin A, C, and E to boost immunity and promote growth in poultry and livestock. It has calcium and magnesium, which strengthens bone and enhances eggshell quality in poultry. It has iron, which prevents anemia and improves oxygen transport in the blood. It has antioxidants, which protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Purslane boosts immunity because purslane is rich in vitamin content, which helps poultry and livestock fight off diseases and recover faster from infections. Purslane improves digestion. The fiber in purslane promotes healthy digestion and prevents common gut issues in animals. Purslane enhances growth. The omega-3 fatty acids and proteins in purslane stimulate growth, resulting in healthier and larger animals. Purslane promotes egg production in laying hens. Purslane improves egg quality, including stronger shells and brighter yolks. Purslane is a natural dewormer. Its biotic compound helps control internal parasites, reducing the need for chemical dewormers. It reduces heat stress. Purslane hydrating properties keep animals cool during hot weather. Anti-inflammatory effect of purslane reduces inflammations caused by injuries or diseases in livestock. Purslane supports fertility. Nutrient in purslane enhances reproductive health in both poultry and larger livestock. Purslane improves meat quality, adds nutritional value and tenderness to meat in poultry and livestock. Purslane is affordable and sustainable. Purslane is readily available and easy to cultivate, making it a cost-effective solution for farmers. How to use purslane for poultry and livestock. Fresh feeding. Gather 200 grams of purslane, wash it properly, chop fresh purslane and mix it into poultry feed or provide it directly to livestock. Dried and ground. Dry the leaves, grind them into powder and mix it with regular feed for year-round use. Juice extract. After gathering 200 grams of purslane, wash it properly, then blend it very well to extract the juice or use mortar to pound it. Blend purslane into a juice and use it as a natural tonic for boosting hydration and immunity in poultry and livestock. Silage. Combine purslane with other forage crops to create a nutritional and nutritious silage for livestock. Why farmers should go organic with purslane. The growing demand for organic farming methods has put a spotlight on natural feed additives alternatives. Purslane aligns perfectly with this trend, offering a nutrient-rich, chemical-free option for poultry and livestock farmers. Incorporating purslane into feeding program not only enhances animal health but also improves the profitability of farming operations by reducing feed and veterinary costs. Purslane is more than just a weed, it is a superfood for your poultry and livestock. Its nutritional benefits, affordability, and versatility make it an essential addition to any form of farm animals. By using purslane, farmers can improve animal health, boost productivity, and adopt a more sustainable approach to farming. Don't let this natural treasure go to waste. Start incorporating purslane into your farming practices today and experience the difference. As much as purslane is a free grass, please don't overuse it, most especially for the tonic. After blending it, you need to know the age of the poultry bed you want to administer it to, and the dosage. Please, on the comment section, tell me the type of poultry bed, the breed of poultry bed, and their age or the stage of their life. I will guide you on the dosage you can use in their water to boost their immunity and the growth. Purslane has the ability to boost the growth rate, the immunity, and the weight of your poultry, and the egg quality and numbers if you administer it properly. Tell me the breed of bird, the age, and the number of birds you want to administer it. I will guide you on the dosage you're going to use so that it will be effective. Drop it on the comment section and I will guide you from there. Let's meet on the comment section. For now, share this video to reach more farmers. Give this video a thumb up if you actually gain something from this particular video. Give it a thumb up, like, share, and comment. And on the comment section, tell me the breed of bird you want to use purslane. And if actually you have been using purslane before, let's discuss on the comment section and how to go about it. Thank you for now. Till I come with another interesting topic loading very soon. If you are not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? This is the right time for you to subscribe and activate the bell notification so that once the updates on this particular topic or any other topic on agri business comes up, you will be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified by this wonderful app. For now, I say bye.